Hello, so welcome to our project, which is a maze game. We wrote it from scratch in OpenGL, which took a lot to learn, but we figured it out. It uses a procedurally generated algorithm, which we also wrote by ourselves, to create a maze in 3D that you can play. So I'll show you what it looks like in single player first. It's supposed to be colorful, engaging. All the colors and all the layouts are all completely random. Hold on. I'm gonna do single player mode. So basically, the Echo AR component is that it loads a model of an Arctic fox, which is going to be the target or the goal for the game, is the fox, and that is loaded in with Echo AR. So a completely new generated random maze with random colors, and if you wander around a little bit, you should eventually find the Arctic fox, and then when you collect it, the game ends. So that seems pretty straightforward. Now I will try to demonstrate multiplayer. Basically, when you're running it with either the jar file or an Eclipse, you'll want to pass in the IP address of the server as one of the arguments. So then I'll run two instances. Our multiplayer server supports two computers. And I'm going to just make them go side by side. I'm gonna run two copies. As you can see, they're loading Echo AR. Takes a little bit because it has to download it from the CDN, but that is the beauty of Echo AR, is that you can do stuff like that. So yeah, so now I have two of these loaded, and if you can see, the layout of the maze is the exact same for both of them. And they can, and the other player is represented by a red cube. And if you can see, this is what the game is like. And everything from the colors to the layout, it's all the same for both of them. And this maze was actually very small. The Arctic fox is right there. But some of them can get more complicated. So yeah, so both these players will go through the maze together, and now they found the Arctic fox, and now they can both win. So this is a basic demonstration. The reason I'm doing this is because on Mac, there's an issue where you can't go anywhere in the maze. It's completely frozen. It doesn't register mouse or keyboard movements. Don't know why it's happening, but it works on Windows. It should work on Linux, but I have not tested it yet because I don't have the time. So yeah, thanks for watching. We used a lot of super cool low-level technology, super complicated, but we got it working. Our server is written in Python using UDP, not UDP, TCP, and we had to learn how to handle that. Actually, the other guy who doesn't go to our school, who joined last night, actually wrote up the server, so that's pretty cool. And the game itself is written in Java using OpenGL. So yeah, thanks for watching.